Hello, I am AI anchor Sana. Let's have a look at AI tech update. Apple is shutting down a 121-person team related to artificial intelligence operations in San Diego, leaving many employees at risk of termination. The group, known as Data Operations Annotations, will be relocating to Austin to merge with the Texas portion of the same team. The group is responsible for improving Siri by listening to queries to the voice service and determining if it heard and handled questions accurately. Those unwilling to move will face termination on 26 April. Apple confirmed the relocation decision, saying the company is bringing its data operations annotations teams in the US together at a campus in Austin, where a majority of the team is already based. Apple is deeply committed to San Diego, where it has grown significantly, and is continuing to hire as Apple expands its engineering teams. The move has unequally to result in several dozen workers leaving the company. Employees who are willing to relocate to Austin by the end of June will be able to keep their roles, and the company is offering $7,000 relocation salaries. Do tell us what you think about this video in comments section, and for more AI news updates subscribe to AajTak AI.